Welcome to fourth semester BA Complementary Course Journalism, Journalistic Practices. Chapter 1, Organizational Structure of Newspaper, Part 2, Editorial Department. In this case, or in this class, we discuss what are the three major departments who are the basic of a newspaper organization, newspaper or channel or whatever it may be. In the electronic media, it has some difference. At the same time, in the print media, there are three major departments. So the first one is editorial department. The editorial department is a key section of a newspaper. The news, features, comments, columns, editorials, cartoons, letters to the editors are handled by this section under the leadership of chief editor. So chief editor is doing all these functions. Or chief editor, under chief editor, for cartoonist will be there, columnist will be there, feature, those who are writing the features, they will be under the editorial departments, news, everything. In all the departments or all the news items or all the news related activities will be under the editorial departments. So a host of assistant editors will be there. Assistant editors' duty is to assist this chief editor. So they work under the chief editors. So they gather the news and prepare features, columns, editorial comments and etc. So the chief reporter along with the team of reporters collects all kind of news from the various fields. That means in local, national or international. They will send all the reports to these news departments, and it will be scrutinized by this editorial department. Big newspapers have departments for features, sports, finance, science and technology separately. That means if they, in the case of entertainment, agriculture or anything, they have the specialist in these sections to handle properly. That means they have some basic knowledge about these subjects. In some newspapers, a magazine editor is appointed for the Sunday. You know, like that, some big newspapers, they will publish Sunday supplements. So, separate editors for the Sunday supplements and magazines. And the chief photographer and the staff photographer. Chief photographer and the staff photographers provide the coverage of various events. They will take photographs, images and send it to the editorial wing. And they give final touches. That means the editorial department will give final touches to the newspaper, and the news editor along with the team of sub-editors manages actual citing of editing of paper. So they will do all the kind of corrections, adding proper headings and everything. They will scrutinize, and then only they will send for the printing. So they edit the copy. So normally any mistakes are there, they will correct it. And now there are many softwares. They are provided with good technology, and that's why it is easy for correcting it. And presently all the newspapers have online editions. In the case of online editions, some of the newspapers have separate editors, and there will be a team of journalists who edit, design and present the content for the internet editions. They will do all the things. Next, business department. Business department we have already discussed. The second one is business department. It is one of the prime, or it is a prime important one. One of the node, it's a prime important one, because without money they can't run properly. To function properly and effectively, a newspaper has to a newspaper be run as a business enterprises. If they wanted to run a newspaper as a business enterprises, they must need profit. They must need money. For each business department, usually will have sections of advertisements and circulation. Advertisements means they collect advertisements for the newspapers, and circulation means the printed newspapers must be reached into readers, and the readers must buy the readers. The readers should buy the newspapers, and then only they will get a revenue for running the newspaper in the newspaper organization. Depending on the size, the advertising department of a newspaper may have further subsections such as advertisement for local display, national and international, or classified advertisements, tenders, legal notices. All these things they will have separate sections. The circulation of wing of a newspaper deals with dispatches of copies to the readers. That's already we have discussed. It must be reached into the readers properly in correct time also, and there must be for promotion for this or to get good circulation, they will implement some promotional activities like giving discount coupons, insurance, and other various competitions or some other kind of contests also done by these circulation departments. And the third one is the mechanical department. It is a technical department because this section deals with the composing, plate making, printing, packing and dispatching. That means they are composing the news. Then they make it convert into plating. Then only they are dispatching or printing and dispatching it is that. So they will be the edited stories are arranged in a proper way. The pages also are arranged and handed over to the mechanical department, and these pages are converted into metal plates through a chemical process of printing. Once the papers are printed, they are folded, counted and packaged for delivery to various destinations. So when these news are given to the mechanical department, they will convert all these news into a mechanical or into a metal plates. Metal plates means with the chemical process only they are doing. There are many metal sheets will be there. There will be many metal sheets, and with that, this same page and everything will be converted into it, and it will roll down. Then only the newspaper and then print into the paper. Then only the newspaper came outside with a folding and or proper manner of a newspaper, or it comes as a proper newspaper. And then they will make it bundle and make it ready for distribution. And meticulous care and monitoring are needed for this printing. Once the printing is taken in mistake, or if anything is done in mistake, it will affect the total reputation of the newspaper also. So what we dealt with is, or what we learned in this section, that means we know big newspapers have more specialized departments. That means small small organizations also there and big also there. And according to their economic viability or the fund, they will give or they will have sufficient employment or the employers. And the business is like any other corporate business. That's why they have to sustain in the market. So they must have good circulation and they must have good revenue from the advertisement. And the newspaper industry faces stiff competition. That's we already know. That's why they will experiment more and more methods for selling their newspapers, and they will give some exclusive news items. They will give some sensual and breaking news also for these newspapers. That means newspapers will not that much breaking news because it will get after 12 hours only, not like a TV or radio. But whatever it may be, into account of all these factors, in order to be commercially viable, then only the newspaper can be stable or maintain their circulation, or they can sustain in the market. And in the internet editions, mobile applications and other technologies are essential in reaching out the newspaper to the generation next also. So it is the conclusion of these three departments. And in the next video, we will discuss the structure of editorial department. That's all for this video. Thank you.